shines in summer light. Sea so calm, the air so bright. Olivia walks where waves run slow. Beach walk with Olivia starts to flow. Pebbles warm beneath the sun. Morning beach, the day's begun. Blue horizons open wide. Gentle steps along the tide. From Istria down the coast, golden bays we love the most. Crikvenica, crystal blue, islands calling fresh and true. Rijeka extends its sandy lines, Adriatic in perfect time. Far hides coves of quiet grace, sunlight resting on each place. Walk with Olivia by the sea, Croatia where you wanna be. Soft warm winds, slower pace, every beach a calm embrace. Waves and stone, sunsets here are widely known. Crikvenica above the bay, fortresses watch night and day. Split wakes early, lively, bright. Sea and city feel just right. Dubrovnik glows in evening flame, walls that time could never tame. Pass by pines and open shore, every step invites for more. Cafés hum by marinas near, laughter soft, the mood is clear. Boats set out where islands lie, corner tea beneath the sky. Salt and sun in perfect rhyme, Croatia moving out of time. Walk with Olivia by the sea, feel the calm, the energy. Blue on blue, so pure, so wide. Peaceful waves, a gentle ride. Beach walk with Olivia stays in summer hearts and sunny days.
Nein, nicht wahr. Aber
Ovdje prije važan napad.